Welcome to the 200 millimeter of baking soda in the carpet test. This is test number 10, and I'm using an LG Kompressor LuV200R for this test. Now, if you remember, if you look at the earlier videos I made, this is a real carpet shredder. So I'm going to do the best job I possibly can in separating out the carpet from the baking soda. It'll be kind of easy to see the difference because one's white and one will be kind of like a very light tan, but it may take me a while to separate all the debris. So I'll do the best I can and maybe speed up certain sections that are just even more boring than they normally would be. On the left, you have my worst baking soda pickup. After 10 passes, it only picked up 80 millimeters out of 200, and that's the DC65 Animal Complete. And on the right is almost, but not quite, the best machine I have for baking soda. Well, it actually is the best machine I have in the lab, and that's the Shark NB22, and that one did 150 millimeters after 10 passes. Thomas Rechtenwald's Wind Tunnel 3, very aggressive brush roll, did 153 millimeters out of 200. Eensy weensy teeny tiny bit better. But these are the two that I currently have on hand. All right, so let's go ahead and get going with this test. Arm & Hammer baking soda. Got my ruler. And here's 200 millimeters, and there's my little mark indicating 200 millimeters. Of course, I always seriously hope that you don't have this much debris in such a small amount of carpet area. We do 10 full cycles and then take a reading. And then do 10 more and take a reading, and so on and so forth until we get up to 60 cycles, and then we quit. All right, here's the most important, the first 10. passes, I am not expecting anything at all other than carpet fluff. All right, so let's see what we got here. Yep, at this point, I'm not getting anything up. That is literally, there's no flour left after 50 passes. So, that's it. There's no flour in there. So at this point, I'm actually going to stop the test because it's not picking anything else up. So we have limited out after 40 passes, 50 passes, or 60 passes. There's nothing left to pick up. This machine has done all that it can do after 40 passes, and it's not going to do anymore. And based on what it picked up, now this is a dirty pickup, this machine right here gets a thumbs up, and it's number 1. But remember, very harsh bristles. So you got to be careful with this because it rips up your carpet. All right, thanks for watching, and hey, you didn't have to wait through a 60 set of passes in order to finish this thing. Whoa, that's long and boring. All right, thanks for watching. I know there's a few people that were waiting for this test, so hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, happy vacuuming.